Hey guys, it's the Average Joe back with another video, and today we have the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. I'm so excited about this. I've been waiting for them to update the 1st gen for a while. I am looking at new cases and other accessories possibly to review, so please stay subscribed, hit the bell notification, give the video a like, and let me know down below. Are you going to be upgrading to the new AirPods Pro, or are you going to just stay with the 1st gen? But anyway, the unboxing is pretty simple. You get the box, you pull it off, you get some paperwork, and then just the lightning to USB Type-C cable in there. And other than that, it's pretty straightforward. But yeah, just a quick comparison to the 1st gen. There's not much difference in the size. It's basically the same thing. The only difference around the case is that there's a lanyard loop on the side and there's speaker holes at the bottom, so the Find My sound will be a lot louder. And other than that, you're able to use the Apple Watch charger now. So I'm just gonna bring this in real quick into frame and plug that in, or it'll magnetically connect to an Apple Watch charger and a MagSafe charger. Now, I don't know if you heard that or not. Let me try that again. But it does play a sound when it is charging. So if that does bother you, there is a way to turn it off. It's very simple. You just have to connect the AirPods, and then you would go to the settings on your phone, and when you look at the settings there, you'll see AirPods Pro. You just hit that, and then you can enable case charging sounds. You see that right there? You can just turn that off and the sound will not play anymore. I've used this for, a few hours, so I haven't had a lot of time with this, but I just want to let you guys know in my initial, listenings and stuff like that, this is a good step up from the 1st gen AirPods Pro. The sound does sound a lot better. It's got the new H2 chip, which does its thing, making the sound better, the noise cancellation. It is a lot better. For me, it sounded significant, which is why I think, if your AirPods Pro, the 1st gen, if the battery is starting to die out, things are starting to not go well, it is definitely worth the upgrade. I definitely would consider it. If you don't have the AirPods Pro 1st gen, but you just have the regular one, then you definitely want this. So yeah, I mean, that was just my initial review and unboxing of this. I'm sure I'm gonna love these headphones over time. But one last thing I wanted to do was, I had a thought that maybe I'll just use my current case for the AirPods Pro for the 2nd one. So I have this leather case from Native Union. So I figured, why not slide it in to see if it fits. And the LED shines through, and it does fit no problem. So yeah, the only issue that I would have with using a 1st gen AirPods Pro case is the lanyard loop is cut off and the holes are blocked. But I don't think the holes being blocked will make that big of a difference. I have been trying to play the sound for Find My for my AirPods Pro 2, but for some reason, I don't know if this is happening with you, let me know, but I haven't been able to get the Find My notification to play on my AirPods Pro 2. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but let's just try one more time. Let's play sound. Oh, there we go. So the case isn't making that much of a difference. You can still hear it. I'll try it with the case off. This case is very tight. Okay, let's try it with the sound. Okay, so it probably reduces the sound by, I want to say, about 50%. So if you're okay with that, then you can, I guess, technically go ahead and use first gen AirPod Pro case. But other than that, this has been my little spiel about the AirPods Pro 2. Thanks again, guys. Take it easy.